I want to show you how functions can help you supercharge your segment.com data. So this is basically how functions work. We have modified the payload. We have done some kind of logic. You can see because it's plain JavaScript, you can do a lot of things here. Of course, you can pull in whatever APIs you need or whatever kind of logic you want to do. We modify it, and then we pass on the modified payload. In this case, simply modify by adding a new, and that's the end of the function, right? You save it, you deploy it if you want to make it live to whatever destination where you want this to run and change. So very handy, very powerful. And again, once you get familiar with this, you can get this up and running 20, 30 minutes, maybe an hour, test it and stage it, deploy it to production, much quicker than having this done by a developer where it might take maybe a couple of weeks to go through a sprint. So that's really the power to, especially if you want to make some of this, whether it's kind of smaller, minor modifications to your data payload, and where perhaps you don't necessarily need a developer to do it because you can kind of do everything yourself in the way I did it here.